Good people, what's up? Let's go. We out here strolling around Lidditz. Check out the ducks. I'll show you a little later. I had a thought. Ask for more in life. In life, what's the thing that starts it all? Asking. You have to be able to ask yourself and ask others for what you want in life. Asking is a powerful way of changing your life. You have to allow yourself to be able to ask questions. Most people are too afraid to ask. They're scared. They tell themselves no. How wild is that? I mean, if it's you, feel me on this. Like, I would never tell me no. No, you would have to tell me no. And I'm going to tell you what. If you tell me no, I'm going to ask for an exception to policy. Yes, I am. Hello. For the record, I don't let no's affect me. You know, when someone tells me no, business tells me no, I think, all right, next opportunity, right? So I encourage you to determine what it is exactly that you want. And then go ask for it. Don't water down what you want because you think you're going to get a no. No, ask for what you want. All right? Know this. If you want more out of life, you got to ask questions. You got to get curious. Curiosity goes a long way in life. Within reason, right? But be curious. Answer what you want. That's how you get smarter. That's how you get exactly what you want. Ask for it. When you meet people, get curious. Ask the right questions. Questions that you can learn from. Questions that make you more informed, right? Disclaimer, for the purpose of this topic, when I'm talking, no means next opportunity, but make no mistake about it. In life, no means no. All right? So don't be saying Mr. Motivation said, no. That's for the purposes of this topic. All right? There's a quote. They said, closed mouth don't get fed. Ask questions. Ask for what you want. Be bold what you want. They say the same energy it takes to ask for, $10,000 if you're a nonprofit is the same energy it takes to ask for $100,000. They may say no, but we'll give you 50. But you ask for 10, they might give you 10, might give you 5. Do remember, good people? Shouts out to the ducks. Just out to the ducks. It's all about you. Yeah.